exactly how it's going to work. All the water's going to come in, come right through and keep draining into the mini dry well where I have the pipe, rocks, everything all around it. I'm going to fill the rest of this area with a little bit more rock. As you see, all the water comes rushing in, rushing in, rushing in. And it continuously cycles about every minute. And on the water immediately drains all the way down into the dry well, which is about 3 feet deep. All pieces of pipe, everything in there to make the mini dry well to have even bigger voids, just like that. Now to backfill the rest.